among you used to wear Bareminerals powder foundation in high school? Who hasn't worn Bareminerals since high school? Well, today we're going to be trying out a brand new Bareminerals product, Mineralist Hydrasmoothing Lipstick. If you want to maybe see what Bareminerals has been up to since you were in high school, keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are new. My name is Jessica of Miss More Style, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the Bareminerals brand new Mineralist Hydrasmoothing Lipstick. This is a brand new line of lipstick from Bareminerals, which they sent me this press package today, and I figured I would try this out for you guys because before we get into this video, I have a couple housekeeping things to get out of the way. First things first, if you are not already subscribed, you want to go ahead and hit that button because your girl does make beauty videos. I know it's been a lot of travel videos lately. I have so much travel content from last year that I'm trying to get through, so I'm trying to throw some other normal videos in there so that like people don't just think I'm only a travel channel. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of my future uploads. Now the second reason that you're going to want to subscribe is because this video includes a giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be some items that I actually got from Bareminerals last month, right before Christmas. They sent me like a press package of some of their gift sets that they were selling for the holiday season. I have so much makeup, I really can't use all the stuff that gets sent to me. So let me show you what is going to be in this week's giveaway. For this week's giveaway, and congratulations to the Moran family for winning the previous giveaway that I hosted. This week's giveaway, I'm going to be giving away the Bareminerals Give Good Skin, with their skin longevity line, which has a serum, a sleeping gel cream, and a moisturizer with SPF. So that's the first item. The next item is going to be this Dream Eyes package, and it includes Gen Nude Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow, Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Base Mascara, and one fine line micro liner. The third thing will be this gift set of their little lip set. So this comes with 6 mini high shine nude lip shades. That's number 3. 4 is the Little Gems. So this is a mini metallic mask set. So you get these 4 mini metallic masks. There's a gold, amethyst, sapphire, and pink diamond mask. 4 of these goodies if you enter the giveaway. Watch the entire video because I'm not going to tell you the rules at this exact second. So keep watching the video if you want to hear the rules to qualify to win all these goodies. This is going to be a week-long giveaway, so the day this goes up, a week later, I will announce, it'll be in the description box, I will announce who the winner of the previous week's giveaway was. May the odds be ever in your favor. Let's get on to the main event. I'm going to stop talking. This is the press package that Bareminerals sent me, which you guys saw earlier. Comes with this big card that gives you some information, so I'm just going to skim over that really quick with you. So this is the new Mineralist Hydrasmoothing Lipstick. It is the first clean, mineral-infused vegan lipstick with minimal ingredients, proven to deliver 2 times hydration and 2 times richer color. Right, we're going to see about that. I am very skeptical of vegan products, by the way. I'm not like a vegan beauty blogger. I know I should probably care more, but in my experience, vegan products just don't pack the pigment punch that non-vegan products do. I like a pigmented color. That's my problem with vegan stuff, and that's why I don't often search vegan things out. Don't give me too much hate in the comments, but I'm just being real with you all. I just don't tend to like vegan products. I feel like they don't deliver the way that I want them to. Interested to see how these work. Apparently it just has 19 ingredients. It's 40% less than traditional lipsticks. Wow. 19 ingredients seems like it's a lot of ingredients. So for that to be 40% less than traditional lipsticks, that's pretty crazy. So it contains 76 naturally derived extracts, including sustainably sourced botanicals like cold-pressed European seed buckthorn root oil. That was a mouthful. Mediterranean olive oil. She likes that. And Moroccan pomegranate extract. Hydrate, nourish, and replenish for softer, smoother lips. With a lush color lineup of 25 nature-inspired shades, each Mineralist lipstick is infused with the essence of naturally prickly pear and acai. Key benefits, it says rich smoothing hydration, saturated color, lightweight texture, creamy satin finish, smudge resistant and transfer resistant, vegan and dermatologist, why is that so hard, tested, and levels and claims 2 times hydration, 2 times richer color. 91% of consumers agree that this lipstick makes their lips feel smoother, and it's proven to significantly reduce lip lines, texture, and dryness in just 1 week, even when removed. And it says for application, you just apply directly to lips for full coverage in 1 swipe. Okay. For more precision, line lips with Gen Nude or Statement Under Over Lip Liner before or after applying lipstick. So we don't have that, so I'm not going to do that, but we're going to try a couple of these colors. I don't know if I'm going to swatch them all. I've seen videos where people try on like every shade of lipstick on their lips. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I might do some. I have these handy dandy makeup wipes right here with me that actually Alame sent me some of these, and these are going along with the eco-friendly vibe. They are biodegradable, long wear, makeup cleansing removing towelette. So thank you, Alame, for making biodegradable makeup wipes, because that's like one of the reasons why I haven't bought makeup wipes in a long time, is because, you know, the environment. So in case you didn't know, there are biodegradable makeup wipes out there, and Alame makes them, so you're welcome. Let's get into this. So here are all the shades that they sent, all 25 it appears. I'm gonna try a lighter color first. Let's do Insight. So this is the packaging. It's sort of this like muted matte gold packaging. There's the lipstick. Watch this. Ooh, that's actually a really pretty color. This is what happens when you have too much caffeine. So you guys saw that was not 1 swipe. Let's try 1 swipe on the bottom lip and see what happens. I guess that's okay. I might turn the light down a little bit. That was okay. My lips are so chapped right now. Maybe this lipstick will help that. So this is the color Insight. It's really pretty. Nice, natural nude color for me personally. I'm not a big lipstick person, to be honest. I wear a lot of liquid lips just because I feel like they stay on longer, but it does feel very hydrating. I don't know. I feel like the color is nice. This is a nude, so it has a nice finish, I think. So yeah, this is Insight. Next, let's go for the next row. Maybe I'll just do 1 of each in each row, and maybe throw in some of these lipsticks into the giveaway. But keep watching, because I haven't told you what the rules are yet. Let's do Presence. Presence is more of like a brownish color. There it is right there compared to Insight, just to give you like a different neutral type of color. All right, this went on really nicely actually. I definitely feel the presence of this color on my lips. Dumb. This is like another really pretty nude everyday color. I could see myself wearing this on a regular basis. It's not too overpowering. It's also not too brown, because I don't really like to wear like super brown lipsticks. It has sort of like an orangey undertone, which I really like. So yeah, and I actually feel like this did deliver the color with basically 1 swipe, more or less. So I think just because the other one was a little bit more light, that's why it took a little bit more to get the color payoff that I wanted. Next, I'm going to try to do this color Joy. This is sort of like a pinky color. It has a bit of shimmer to it. Watch it first. Really pretty. There it is, swatched. All right, let's put this on our lips now. Yeah, this is really nice too. I think like it has all these sort of have like a sheerness to them, which I think make them very easy to wear like as an everyday lip color. But this is also like a really, really pretty, just easygoing color that I could wear with most makeup looks that I do on like an everyday basis, and just for like running around like everyday life. So next one I want to try is Optimism. Here it is. It's a little bit more of a dark kind of red type color. Oh yeah, magenta red. Ooh. This is really pretty. It's kind of like a berry type color. I like. So I feel like right now is a great time for me to tell you what the giveaway rules are. So it's pretty simple, and it's basically like the last one. So to enter, you need to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and you need to leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one of these colors you liked the best. And in that comment, somewhere in the comment, you need to include an emoji. Let's make it the ice skate emoji. So I used to be an ice skater, fun fact. So make sure in your comment that you include the ice skate emoji. Then you need to go over to my Instagram, which I will put up right here. You need to leave me a comment on the most recent photo in my feed, whichever one that is. And also in your comment, include an ice skate emoji. And that is it. You must be in the United States to enter. I know, I'm sorry. I cannot afford shipping to anywhere else at this moment. So unfortunately, US only. If you are under 18, make sure you have permission from your parents to enter. And that is the giveaway. yeah, 1 week to enter, so get on it. Moving right along, we'll put a bright color. This one is called Energy. This one is like a bright corally type red. Color on this one is not great. See that? Doesn't have like the impact. It takes a lot of going over it to get the desired color. All right, so we got there with Energy, but it took a lot of work. It is pretty though. I'm really happy with all the pigmentations in these. Remember what I said about how I don't like vegan products? These are kind of proving me wrong. Some of these are so pretty actually. I just want to show you some of them. This one is Wisdom, really pretty, like deeper berry color. This is like a really rich, like oxblood type red. Ooh, I love that. And that one is Purpose. This one is called Perception. Very vampy. I just want to swatch it. It comes off looking like way different on your skin. Like, yeah, I wouldn't have thought that was the same. Let's try this one. Wow. That is a really pretty. I wouldn't have thought looking at this lipstick that it would have come out that way, but it's stunning. Loving these colors actually. I think we've kind of covered a lot of these shades. So I think I'm gonna stop there with the swatching, but tomorrow morning I'm waking up very early and I'm going to the DMV to get my driver's license replaced. So I'm thinking they might want to retake my photo this time. So I'm gonna do my makeup tomorrow and I'm gonna pick one of these colors to wear, and I'm gonna show you guys like how it wore. I'm really curious to see the longevity of how this wears. So tomorrow, that's what we're gonna do, and I will insert that for you all as well, and then we'll wrap this video up. And I think what will happen with the giveaway as well, since I have so many other shades of lipstick, is whoever wins, I will ask them like what are the shades that they want, and I'll throw in like 2 or 3 of the shades for them in with the other goodies that they're getting. So I'll see you guys in the morning, and we will go from there. I am much later for the DMV than I wanted to be. It is 8:54. Let's see how these lips last. Okay, so it is now 3:30. I have been through a lot today. I went to the DMV, I went home, I went back to the DMV because I forgot a proper form of payment because they don't take credit cards. And then I went to IKEA. I had Swedish meatballs and green beans for lunch, so I ate. I was drinking water. And this is the state of the lipstick that I put on this morning. Obviously, it is a bit faded, but yeah, it's a lot faded. I would need to reapply at this point. So, you know, it lasted for a good couple hours, good solid hours. So overall, I really like this lipstick. I would recommend it, especially if you are into vegan products. It's really nice. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put a link down in the description box where you can shop these lipsticks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and make sure that if you didn't do it already, that you subscribe. Come on. You know you want to. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.